And today we're going to review the tool called Coggle. Coggle is a tool on the internet that is free to use, and you can make diagrams and mind maps on it. Today we're going to go through it as a purpose of assessment. So you as a future teacher could use this tool for assessing your students on their current understanding of the topics that you've been teaching. So I started an example here. This is on the 5 E's that we learn about in W200. I base it off of this model with lesson elements. What does it look like and what tools can I use? So on the Coggle website, you can start a new diagram, which I did here. I just signed in with my IU account, and it made it really easy. I didn't have to create an account or anything like that. So I'm going to finish this Coggle while we are working today, just to show you an example of how we can do this for assessment. So the purpose of this Coggle that I've created would be to see where my students are at with understanding the 5 E's. So we have evaluate, elaborate, explain, engage, and explore. I already did evaluate and elaborate, and these are already good to go. So you can kind of move them around. You can create new branches, add a lot of ideas. I could even keep going off of each single branch that I've made to show my learning. So I'm going to go through explain. Actually, I'll do explore next. So for the purpose of this assignment and just this tutorial, I'm just copying and pasting from this document. However, I would not recommend this for your students. It is good for time reasoning today. So I'm going to start with what tools can I use. I'm just going to copy and paste this information into the Explore. So I already have Explore as a branch, which I just added because you can click a little plus button and then you can make a branch. So I'm going to double tap this and I'm going to add a branch onto Explore. And I'm going to call it example tools. Now from that, I am going to add another branch, and I'm going to copy and paste what I just said. So now I have all of these branches that are already done. Now another thing I'm going to do is from Explore, I'm going to add another branch, and I'm going to type in what does it look like. Now from there, you can move this around. You can really move all of these around for really a nice visual representation. So I'm going to copy and paste the what does it look like from this document. Now from here, I'm going to add another branch, paste it, and then it gives me all of these branches, which makes it look awesome and organized. So just to organize that, I am going to move all of these over. And that's another really cool option. You can individually move branches to organize things. So that is how you would do that. And so then there's my organization. So I would keep going and I would do explain and engage, and then your students could screenshot this entire mind map and then submit it into your class, and you could see where they're at with their thinking. So that's this tutorial for today. If you have any questions, there are a lot of resources on the Coggle website, and there's a lot of examples to look at too. Thanks.